You know, the best way to open it. Oh, you know what? It's in the case. So am I supposed to say anything in particular?
No.
Just act like a kid at Christmas?
Mm-hmm.
It's not enough screaming and ripping of things.
Oh, baby.
Dude. Uh-huh.
Gonna have some leather work done. All right. Now, let's see about... Mm-hmm. Check it.
Oh, dude.
Alrighty. So we'll have to make a hook for it. Oh, baby, check that out.
Oh,
Robert.
cool.
Holder for the slide.
Those are rare. The ones with the holders, those are always gone.
Really?
I didn't notice they had that.
Well, I saw this was set up here, but wasn't quite sure about it.
Yeah, those are always gone. I took a Boston case to Virginia last year and they said they'd never seen it before.
That might be useful.
Oh, dude.
Sweet. There it is. Oh, baby. Something else is rattling around in there. A nail from the case. Save all of those. So there's the mouth pipe that we got to do some work on.
Yep.
So that's going to go back in there in a fashion. That's all stuck. So
That goes that way.
that's going to go like
Wow, and
that.
that's original.
Up there. Once it's all put back together, that'll be my other mouth pipe. Sweet.
Wow. That is exactly what it was supposed to be. And there's your
And
other
there's
slide.
the other slide. And there's the other slide. High pitch, low pitch. Possibly B flat A. Hard to say until we find out. There's the mouth pipe with a bit for that one. Oh, baby. A little bit of case work. There's another portion of something that we'll find out what it's from. This is awesome.
Dude.
Ooh, dog.